Is your iPhone's touchscreen not working? Here is the best solution for you. First, open FoneLab iOS System Recovery, and it will display the variety of iOS issues it can solve. Click Start. Then connect your iPhone to computer. Next, read and choose between Standard and Advanced mode. Afterwards, choose the iOS version that is best to your device. Then the tool will download the firmware for you. Once it was downloaded, it will start to repair your device. Wait for the process to be finished, and you're good to go. Like and follow for more.